Hey guys, welcome to Garden Space. Today, as I promised, I'm going to transplant my tomatoes here and my chilies. Actually, I've also bought some planters for that matter, and you can see they have the drainage spacing or the drainage holes, and also they are new actually today. So in these planters, I'm going to transplant my tomatoes here, and also my chilies on the other one. So walk with me as we are going to transplant them with you. They're overgrown because they are crowded. So one of the reasons why I'm transplanting them is because they are trying to fight for space, and you can see they're so much crowded. So I'm going to pick at least maybe 3 to 5, maybe 5 or 4. Then we walk with you. So I'm going to just cut this bottle here. You have to be as keen as possible. Yeah, you might ask why I'm doing this. The reason why I'm doing this is because you can see this bottle is a bit overcrowded and it's a bit small, so I have to just destroy it for that matter. Then we try to release our soil as possible as we can. Yeah, I hope you can see here. You can see the roots actually they have overgrown, and for that matter, I believe they are almost getting to rot. So if I transplant them, it will be easier for them to grow independently. For that matter, let me try to take it out. There it is. Into our new white what do you call it? White planter. Yeah, and something I learned somewhere. It's good to use the initial soil that was there instead of using maybe some new dried soil. It's better I use this one because this one is already moist enough, and it has at least some few nutrients. So we're just going to release them. Without destroying. Yeah, you're going to use like this one. This one is okay. With the roots, you can see how long the roots are. I'm trying to select the bigger tomatoes, so this one is okay. So just pick some few from here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, but before then, I have first to add some soil on top. There's some few stones. Here's my soil, you can see. So just going to add as much as possible as you can. Avoid these small sticks, they can slow your plants to grow. Yeah, that's okay. Now I'm going to select the few. This was the initial soil that was there. You can see it's still wet. And I've seen some few snails. Don't know what's that. So I'm still going to use this soil at the top because my tomatoes already, they're used to some good soil. Yeah. At least make sure they have some few inches below. Like that. And you can see there's some few here which are very tall. Then to avoid overcrowding them, I'm just going to pick some other, maybe 2 or 1. It doesn't mean that I'm going to lose the rest, so I'll try to plant them in another planter. And as we go on, I'll also try to show you how I'll use some trails. So you can see my tomatoes are safe. Yeah, I have to water them first. And always make sure you don't water your seedlings directly, because you're more of going to uproot them. And I have to make sure I give as much water as possible. Yes, it's okay. Now, there is our new transplanted tomatoes, and you can see here at the the bottom, you can see the water is dripping. One of the reasons why we need to allow this is because if the water is stagnant, or maybe there are no drainage holes, your plant might your roots might rot. So that's why you need drainage. That I'm now going to keep them somewhere. That's okay. And as you can see, there's sunlight here, so I need them to be able to have some good sunlight. And then from there, I'll show you maybe in the next some few days, maybe 7 days or 1 week. Then we can see the progress of my lovely tomatoes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I hope you're going to enjoy the rest. Now, the next thing we're also going to transplant is my chilies. As you can see, chilies do take some bit of time to grow. So I'm also going to transplant them in this lovely container, rather, and also we are going to walk the journey with you too. Walk with me. As I mentioned earlier, these were my chilies which were here. And you can see from here the soil it's a bit wet, and so we're also going to transplant them, and I've just managed to extract them quite well, and you can see actually they have grown pretty well, although chilies do take time to germinate and to grow. So I'm just going to take some few here and there. Then maybe with time I'm going to use some sticks as the trailings. Yeah, you see that. So I'm going to use like these here. You can see they're very well grown. And also I'm trying not to overcrowd them, so I'm also going to use a different pot. Yeah, is now okay. And as I said, it's good to use the initial, make sure they come with the initial soil that was there before. So from here, just going to create some few holes. Not so much at the furthest end. And I remember I said, touching soil with your bare hands, it feels nice. It's very therapeutic for that matter. And that is something that you need to try. I've seen so many gardeners out there using gloves, and I find it a bit awkward, because why should you fear soil? And the way it's very, it feels good. So these are the center. And something that you need to learn is make sure when you're planting them, make sure they are at least some few centimeters inside the soil. They're covered at some few centimeters, for that matter, because if you plant them on top, they won't be able to get enough nutrients, and also the roots will find it hard to penetrate. Yeah, now that's okay. Then the last one, it's here. So lovely. Yes, that's okay. You might ask why I'm not planting at the center. It's because I'm going to use a stick here that will be able to, when they're growing, they might be able to roll and twist. So the stick will help them to have enough trellis, and the twigs will be independent, for that matter. So it's another one here. Yeah, now these are my lovely chilies or pepper, and we are going also to, I'm also going to show you how they will be maybe in a week's time. I'll show you the update, and if anything comes up, I'll also share with you. So don't forget to watch our videos out there. We have made some few videos with my colleague Dennis, and we are also trying to learn and relearn each and every day. So we're also not perfect, and we'd like you to share some few topics maybe you might want us to cover, and maybe if there's something that is really burning you that you might want us to tackle, we are here to walk this journey with you. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, like and share. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.